Well, okay, I decided to actually go out and gather some of these black walnuts, and I'm trying to figure out what to do with them. And I saw one video where a girl just stepped on them to take out the outer hull, so apparently that's what you have to do, is take out the outer shell. And I think stepping on them works better than this thing. Okay, I tried a little axe, and definitely stepping on them works better. So here we go. Much faster. So that would be step number 1. And I'm learning how to harvest and take advantage of the fruit and nuts that I have on this property. But perhaps that works as well. That way I don't make the bottom of my shoe all yellow. Okay. A bit of a chore, but that's life. What isn't? So I understand step number 1 is to remove the outer hull, and then we wash them, and after that we dry them. So we'll see what I can do here. But I got about a bucket and a half of these, and there's still more in the tree, so if this works out, I will harvest more of them. I wasn't going to bother with all the work and stuff that we have to do, but why not try? Okay. I don't know, stepping on them works too. Let's try that. Tough nuts. Ooh. Now, I understand that even these dark ones are okay, but there's a way to determine which ones of them are good and which are not. That one may not be good at all. Put that guy aside for now. Well, here we go. Nope, that one does not want to crack. Okay, well, we'll try and get through this and then go through to the next stage. Okay, so Mark used one of his drills with a cement mixer on the end of it. We used a 5-gallon bucket, and we put the black walnuts in a bucket of water and used this to agitate it. Rinsed it about 4 times. I think I rinsed it about 3 times before Mark even started to agitate it, and then he agitated, we rinsed, took the water out, put fresh water in at least another 3 times, and now they're sitting on the concrete table. Okay, and from there, actually, I put them in a brown paper box last night to soak up most of the water, and this morning I've put them on our concrete table back here. We're supposed to get to 75-degree weather, and hopefully they'll dry somewhat, and from there I'll put them in vegetable bags, I guess, and hang them to dry. And I probably will go up to the hill and up to the tree and see if any more have fallen. And yes, we did take out the floaters when we washed them in the 5-gallon bucket. And hopefully, I mean, I've never done this before, so this is the first time that I've attempted to gather and process black walnuts.